me get back here. Ah. Okay, hopefully this works. I can't see myself anymore. I need to do my normal intro thing. Hello, I'm Carrie. I cosplay, crochet, and enjoy history bounding. First thing, I need to apologize for the really bad lighting. The power's out. There's only so much I can do. But I can still do crafty things. I have made a number of granny squares. You may recognize this yarn, the colors. Yes, leftovers from my 1970s wave pattern skirts. I also made a pentagon. There are 5 granny squares for this pentagon. I'm going to attach them to the sides, and this is going to make the shell, or the carapace, of a stuffed turtle that I'm making. I have a friend who works at the Ontario Turtle Conservation Centre. I think she'd like this. All right, last time I believe you saw the shell. I now have as well bottom shell, 4 legs, a head. For the eyes, I just took little bits of thread, did a couple of knots in them, fed that yarn back through the head, tied it on the inside, and then the remaining yarn is just part of the stuffing. I still need to add a little bit more in here. Next, though, I'm going to attach the head and the legs to the bottom. That way I have 2 parts, the top and the bottom, that I will just sew together once I have stuffed the top shell. Feet are attached, as is the head. Top shell is stuffed. Now to put the 2 together. Make sure my little ends are all in. Bloop! I'm sorry you've turtled! I purposely left a nice long tail when I crocheted the bottom to give me enough yarn, hopefully, to go all the way around and stitch this on. battery's running out. Okay. He's finished. Very different than other stuffed turtles that I've seen pictures of, but I like him. He's cute, and he's made out of granny squares. Hi, Bubs. I'm trying to film, Hiller. He's so cute.